Your life has options. Option trading education. Just like life, the stock market is full of options. Learn more today.
Sharpening, and welcome to Your Life Has Options. Thank you for following along. As promised, I'll be showing all of the transactions I do in each and every month. This scorecard shows all of the transactions for the month of March, which are now concluded. So we'll get into that right away. So with Altria, which is the first one, that actually worked in a textbook way for the options wheel. I sold puts. It was assigned to me. I sold calls for a couple of months, and it was assigned away. During that time, I was able to make a small capital gain that you can see on the scorecard, but I wouldn't get used to things working just as planned because they usually don't. Going on to PNC, speaking of things that don't go according to the plan, but I want to share that with you towards the end, since that's a part of the big story of March. Next, you'll see Devon and Energy Transfer, two oil-related companies that were assigned away, as well as ExxonMobil, which is now trading at 22.5 times earnings, so that's above the range I'm comfortable with. So I let that one be assigned away as well, but made a pretty good capital gain on ExxonMobil. That leaves Pfizer and Citigroup, which will be continuing into the next month. Now on to the put section. So as you can see, I have a number of issues that I'm selling puts on right now. I've been letting stocks be called away, accumulating cash. And if you're familiar with the call letters, you can see there's a lot of banks. It turns out I actually do like banks right now. So I was able to pick up a number of issues that I could sell puts on at $2 to $5 a share below the current market price, or the price that was in existence a couple of weeks ago. And while doing so, returning between 1.9 and 4.45% on each of those different issues. So that's a pretty good 1 month return. So I'm happy with that. In fact, that enabled me to make considerably more money than my target amount. My target amount, as you know, is 0.75 per month, so I can pull cash out at 9% a year with never, ever having to get into my equity, into the principal that I have in the account. So I was able to make 1.42% for the month, primarily due to my put sales, as well as the capital gain I was able to make on Exxon. And since I had excess cash, what I want to do is use some of that cash to put myself in a better position in the future. I pretty much assure you that the majority of the months that you're running your options wheel, you will have things that you need to buy down so you can lower the cost at which you own it, which will enable you to get better call premiums on those particular issues. That's just the reality of an options wheel. So that's exactly what I did. If you were to go back in February, you'd see that I had PNC at a strike price of $200, which is $9 below the price at which I own it. So I was trading that underwater. So with the excess income of this month, I was able to buy that back, roll it forward and up. And if you, not to get too far ahead, but if you were to look into April, which we'll go through when that month is concluded, you'll see I'm now struck at $2.15. So instead of having a potential $9 loss, if that were to be assigned away from me, I now have a $6 gain. So that is the big story of March. The final score of the month is I was able to gain 1.42% for the month. So that's a pretty good looking month. And thank you for following along, and we will see you again soon.